Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to encrypt email in Gmail. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So I'm going to clicking on compose and I'm going to make a email body, and to encrypt the email, click on this little lock icon here, and now set expiration. I'm going to select here expire in 1 week, and require passcode. If you want to add a passcode, you can select SMS passcode, and all passcodes will be generated by Google, or you can select no passcode. So I'm going to select SMS passcode, save. So here we can see recipients won't have the option to forward, print or download this email because of I have encrypted this email. So this was how we can encrypt email in Gmail. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.